Friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show the testing part of my night vision binocular. So let's see how it works and is it workful or not. Let's see. So friends, you can see it has a quite clear view without any issue, and it is in night vision mode. If you activated the normal mode, you will get a color view, but in night you will only see in black and white view. So let's see how clear is the view for about 100-meter range. So you can see the wall is about more than 100-meter distance from where I am taking the picture, and however I am satisfied with the view. You can see, please note, I am recording in pitch dark. There is no light. So the picture is quite clear. You can see it. I can see anything without any issue. However, this view have 3 to 4 mode. I will show you. So friend, you can see the picture is quite clear. So with the help of this night vision camera, you could able to record the video also. You can see there is 3 to 4 mode, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The picture is quite clear, and I am again telling you, all the videography I have done is in pitch dark mode. There is not a single light. So however, I am very much satisfied with this build, and it will worth about 1000 rupees to 1500 rupees with scrap material, and you could able to build it with no issues. So those buildings are about more than 200-meter away. You can see it here, and from my viewpoint, the picture quality is not so bad. Within the range of 50-meter to 100-meter, the picture is too clear. You can see it here. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.